So how do you manage your airway while you sleep, while maintaining alignment when you sleep on your back? It's critical to have your head position correct. So let's say you buy a cervical pillow and you want to support your cervical spine because you heard that's good for you. Well, most cervical pillows also support the head at the same time. So when you put the neck into that extension and you support the head, you actually close down the airway, causing the tongue to move back in the back of the throat, which causes you to snore. Now, when we use a neck nest, the neck nest is designed very specific to support your neck, but the weight of your head is off of the back of the neck nest. So by putting your head into that extension, it actually keeps the airway open while you sleep and also stretches a curve back into your neck. This is why all back sleeping is not created equal. It's critically important on how you use a pillow when you sleep on your back to be able to keep that airway open and be able to allow you to breathe.